The vacuum lines are likely part of a pneumatic vacuum system. This is an outdated technology that was commonly used in homes built before the 1990s. It served the purpose of dust and dirt removal. Pneumatic vacuum systems consist of a central vacuum unit, typically located in a basement or garage, that creates suction. Vacuum hoses or pipes are connected to the unit and run throughout the house, terminating at inlets in different rooms. To use the system, a vacuum hose is inserted into the inlet, which creates a vacuum and draws dust and dirt through the hose and into the central unit. Pneumatic vacuum systems were designed to provide a convenient way to clean homes, as they allowed for easy removal of dust and dirt without the need for a portable vacuum cleaner. They were particularly beneficial for people with allergies or respiratory issues, as they efficiently removed allergens from the air. Pneumatic vacuum systems were eventually phased out due to several reasons. One reason is noise. The central vacuum units can be quite loud during operation. Another is maintenance. The systems require regular cleaning and maintenance, which can be time-consuming and expensive. Furthermore, modern portable vacuum cleaners have become much more efficient and powerful, making them a more practical option for most homeowners. The green stripe on the vacuum lines is a common color code for vacuum systems. The location of the inlets at the same height as electrical outlets is a standard practice for pneumatic vacuum systems. It's unlikely that these vacuum systems are still operational in the current home. If you're interested in restoring the system, it's best to consult with a professional electrician or heating, ventilation, and air conditioning technician.